Hello and welcome to Mix Shop Review. My name is Collette and today I'd love to tell you a little bit about the latest magazine in our Mix Shop. It is the low waist issue. This is the fourth in our magazine range and they are amazing. They are award winning for a reason. Very little advertising. In fact, there's nearly 140 pages of inspiration and education. You're going to get more out of your Thermomix with these magazines by your side. So this issue is all about low waste. It's about saving money, using pantry staples and leftovers, using batch cooking and freezing, and so much more. Let's take a little peek inside. So I've just got here our recipe on Mongolian beef, which is amazing. You can make this 10 minutes of your time on the table in 35 minutes and it serves 6. It is so delicious. Flicking on through tips. So I love the sauces in the Thermomix. This is a hollandaise, and in here we are getting tips that we can pimp up the hollandaise. One of my favorites is the gochujang chili, which is just delicious with so many different things. But flicking through, you can see just the variety, the quality of the photography is absolutely beautiful. Step-by-step pictures, you know, as well as naughty but so delicious, the Dubai range of chocolate that has taken us by storm. So we've got a great Biscoff recipe in this issue, and look, there's just so much more. So please check it out. It is for sale in the Mix Shop, and if you're overseas, there will be digital versions that will be available at a later date, so you can get those. We have 4 magazines. Check them out, and why not do what I'm doing, and that is start to build your collection right there, right early on. So there you go. This magazine, great price too, $12.99. That's incredible. Very good value for money, considering you don't have all that advertising inside. So there you go. The new Thermomix magazine, the low waist issue. Go out to the Mix Shop, check it out, and see what you think. Bye for now.